Bekanye tuliko ba African Americans Shafik for Service Center mpozi kwa gashi kwa Netenda Bridals Ivan Kalan Sports Center ne Ike Music za Plaza Rodi yakwate kuwa navuga najja yaja mpora magezi kali gwe story kyogena kunfunya bye netago baneda ko totandika
Where your sister?
Kali soko mbuli mwanyo kaliwa.
And some other bitch.
Mwanyi naze yagambe tagenda kwesembereza. Mbusimanyi waliyo kala ko security card ye ne musego mulamu be senteze.
Still on that bullshit. No, they
Agere kuza amaso obusente bwa mwadenga shibwe bugwe. Fresh kid.
ain't no motherfucking 10
Akakasente kompadese bote kasobola gulansa ya drug eno ulira.
to be in school.
Otekerwa na kubera ku somero.
Sunday.
Lero Sunday.
School,
Sunday school, Monday school.
Oh, you and your little nasty ass sister need Jesus.
Hey, man.
Gwengo gaseko ne mwanyo ko mwetaga Yesu.
Ew.
Genda osomego fresh kid. Fresh kid ayagala soma abera mugula drugs gwe. Ate soko je waneno jangu.
Beating ass Dutch, man. That nigga's the worst drug dealer.
Kakaine ruda waliwo seyingo gaseko ne baseyabe
But hey, man.
babereyo mugafu manga